Griffin, may I have my cards back, please? Griffin, may I have my cards back, please? Please? Thank you. And the other one? No, we're not sharing. I just want them both. Come on. Other card, please.
No.
What do you mean, no? Come on. Come on. Come on. Mine. Mine. Don't stick your tongue out at me. Give me. Give me. You want to tell everybody how you got up on this chair? Uh-huh. Say, Daddy, you bought me this nice little step stool. Thank you very much. So I am able to get up on chairs in places that I shouldn't be all by myself.
Daddy.
And then steal things. Like this card.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm. Mine.
Daddy.
Come on, buddy.
Daddy. Daddy.
There are babies on that card. Yes. Give me.
Daddy.
Come on. Okay. Time to get down. Get down. Get down. Good job trying. Get down. Change your mind?
No, Daddy. Daddy.
Really? Down.
Down.
That's right. I said down and you said down, so get down. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
My God.
Oh, are you giving me a hug? Thank you. No, you can't take other stuff off of the desk. Yeah, jig, jig. I'm excited. I'm excited. Can you get down now, please? I don't have anything. Stop pulling my shirt. Oh, you are so cute. But no amount of hugs is gonna get you out of trouble. Okay. I'm turning this off so I can give you hugs back.